Hey signers, let's be honest.
Go again.
I'm scared.
What conversation isn't complete without a few questions and some solid responses? Welcome back to the Conversation series. In this video, we're diving into part 2, focusing on the basics of questions and responses in ASL. We'll cover some key signs and grammar tips to help you navigate everyday conversations with ease. And hey, if you're eager to take your ASL skills to the next level and practice real conversations with other signers, you should check out our accelerated program. It's got everything you need to keep learning and growing in your ASL journey. The link is in the description, so take a peek when you're ready. Now let's learn how to sign conversational questions and responses. Tip number 1, how do you sign questions using WH words? Well, WH words are who, what, when, where, why, which, and how. So how do you sign this? Well, your eyebrows go down, you lean forward, and the WH word goes at the end of the sentence. And you can also use a closing signal at the very end of your phrase. So what does this look like? Well, if you wanted to ask somebody where they worked, you would sign you, work, where. And then that closing signal can be added at the end. Notice my body is leaning forward, my eyebrows are going down, and that WH word, where, goes at the end of the phrase. Notice I brought up the word closing signal in ASL. That is the idea of you're finished with what you're saying about yourself, or you're finished with what you're asking. This is textbook ASL. You might not see it out in the community. Now to signs for WH questions.
What? What? Your 5 hands are kind of bent in together, moving in and out. What? Where? Where? Your index finger is searching like a compass. Where's north? Where? Who or who? I like to think of an owl going, who, 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 or who. How or how. You're doing the sign how, but make sure that your eyebrows are down because it's a WH question. How? How? Why or why? You're wiggling or it's pulling out to a Y hand. Why or why? When? When? Think of the hand of a clock moving around. When? Which? Which? It's like you're balancing which one you prefer. Which? How much? How much? Your hands are throwing up into the air. How much?
Age. Age. You have a C hand going down to an S hand from your chin. Age. Feel. Feel. Your middle finger, also known as your feeler finger, comes up on your chest. Feel. Let's take those signs that you just learned and put it into some phrases. Where do you live? You live where? You. Who is your ASL teacher? Your ASL teacher who? What are you doing? You, do, you. Tip number 2. Let's learn how to sign questions for a yes/no response. Well, you're still leaning forward and you can use that closing signal at the end, but your eyebrows go up. So if we're asking somebody, hey, are you hard of hearing? You, hard of hearing, you. Do we see how I lean forward and my eyebrows went up? We don't sign the word are. It is just you. Hard of hearing, you. Now let's learn some signs that you can use when asking a question.
Work. Work. Your two fists are pounding right on top of each other. Work. Live. Live. You have A-shaped hands moving up against your body because when you're living, you're breathing. Live. Like. Like. You're using your thumb and your middle finger and pulling it out from your body. Like. Don't like. Don't like. It's the sign like, but flicking it out. Don't like. Deaf or deaf. It can go either way. It's just pointing to your mouth and your ear. Deaf. Hearing. Hearing. This is referencing that hearing people talk a lot. Hearing. Hard of hearing. Hard of hearing. It's HH for hard of hearing. School. School. I like to think of a teacher clapping to get the class's attention. School. Teacher. Teacher. Teachers give information, and this is a person. Teacher. Student. Student. It's a person who's learning. Student. Family. Family. It's the letter F's in a group of people. Family. Children. Children. It's like you're patting the heads of all the children. Children. Boyfriend. Boyfriend. It's the sign boy and friend put together. Boyfriend. Girlfriend. Girlfriend. The sign girl and friend together. Girlfriend. Married. Married. You're holding hands when you're married. Married. Friend. Friend. Think of you and your friend giving each other a hug. Friend. Favorite. Favorite. You're using this feeler finger and putting it right here on your chin, meaning like you prefer something. Favorite. Restaurant. Restaurant. You have an R-shaped hand moving it from one side to the other. Think of a napkin and dabbing off the food. Restaurant. Tomorrow. Tomorrow. Your thumb flicks forward into the future. Tomorrow. Today or now. You have Y-shaped hands flipped upside down, pushing down. Today or now. Yesterday. Yesterday. You have an A-shaped hand with your thumb out and moving it from your chin back to your jaw. It is moving slightly into the past because it happened just in the past. Yesterday. Let's take those signs that you just learned and put it into some phrases you can use. Are you hearing? You? Hearing you? Is this your friend? Point. Your friend? Do you want to meet at the restaurant tomorrow? Tomorrow? Restaurant? What, meet you? Tip number 3. When somebody is signing, you need to give feedback with your facial expression that you are understanding and following along or not understanding. How to do this is just by a simple head nod or shake. And then also your facial expression can show that you are engaged in the conversation or confused with it. Now to signs for responses. Yes. Yes. Your hand is representing your head nodding. Yes. No. No. It's like the letter N and O put together. No.
Oh, I see. It's like, uh-huh. Oh, I see.
Understand. Understand. It's like the light bulb is coming on. Understand. Don't understand. Don't understand. You do the sign understand, but shaking your head back and forth. Don't understand.
Okay. Okay. It's just O and K put together. Okay. Maybe. Maybe. It's comparing between two different things and thinking about it. Maybe. Never. Never. Now, when you do this sign, make sure that you shake your head back and forth for the negation. Never. Always or forever. You have an index finger making a circle or that circle with a Y hand pushing out. Always or forever.
Same. Same. This Y hand is showing that something's the same. Same or same here. Same.
Sorry. Sorry. You'll see this mainly used with an A hand, but sometimes you might see it with an S as well. Sorry.
Can. Can. Your fists are just moving forward. Can. Can't. Can't. Your finger is flicking down on your other one. Can't.
Let's take what you just learned and put it into some phrases. Oh yeah, I get it. Oh, I see. Understand. I don't understand. Please slow down. Don't understand. Please slow. Maybe. We'll see. Maybe. CC. I hope you're feeling more confident in navigating conversations in ASL. But we're not done yet. Part 3 is coming your way, where we'll dive into common signs you'll need for everyday conversations that we haven't covered yet. If you're excited to keep improving your ASL skills, don't forget to check out our accelerated program. It's packed with lessons and opportunities to practice with other signers just like you. The link is down below in the description. Join us and let's keep learning together. Until next time, keep learning how to sign.